Hi everyone, my name is Derek. I'm from South Africa and live in Johannesburg. I teach in English and Afrikaans to private students for more than a year now. I've also got my TEFL certificate and I'm very excited to meet new students on the Preply platform because each and every student is unique in its own way. I love sport, rugby, cricket, and triathlons. My lessons are fun and focus on what you need: reading, writing, speaking, grammar, and vocabulary. We will use live worksheets, videos, creative games, and flashcards to make your learning enjoyable. My passion is to help students of all ages, especially those who find English or Afrikaans difficult, to improve their skills and reach their goals. I'm very excited to meet with you. Please book a trial lesson now. Thank you so much.